I'm Terry from Arcan Trailer. Next in our series, we're going to talk about the power cord, shore power. So right here on this trailer, we have this power cord is hardwired in. Some trailers do come equipped with a twist lock power cord, so the power cord would be separate in a compartment, and you'd actually twist it in to the power connector here. So we'll pull this power cord out. These cords are around 25 feet long. If you do require an extension cord, this here is a 30 amp cord. You don't want to use something from your garden shed, like one of those orange 100-foot cords. The problem is you lose amperage and you won't be able to run some of your appliances like your air conditioner properly with that. So if you do need longer than the 25 feet to come with the trailer, you'd want to get a proper 30 amp extension cord. Now you can see the configuration here. This is a 30 amp. And we're going to plug it into this outlet here. This here is a 15 amp outlet. So we're going to use this here park adapter to adapt it down from 30 to 15. So we'll just plug this in and plug that into the cord. Now you have a 15 amp cord. We're going to go ahead and plug this in. Now our unit's plugged in. So this specific cord was a 30 amp. There are some units that come with a 50 amp, a different configuration. There are many adapters available to adapt from 50 to 30 and 30 to 15 for the various plug-in needs you may have. One of the things to consider when using these power cords is adding a surge protector to your unit. So what a surge protector would offer is protection against any power surges from something like a lightning strike. Surge protectors can either come in the form of an inline, plugs right into the end of this, or you can wire it hardwired into your trailer by your converter, and that'll protect you from those events. So that's your power cord. If you have any questions, anything else, please feel free to stop in at any one of our dealerships or give us a call. We'll help you out.